Presido Buhari don't talk say im administration go reduce dependence for fossil fuel. Presido for United States of America Joe Biden don't host one forum online for major economies to do talk for energy, food crisis and climate change. Presido Joe Biden talk say the Russia and Ukraine war don't make food prices increase, and he can't talk say countries must collaborate to manage this crisis.
In part due to the skyrocketing price of fertilizer. We have to work together to mitigate the immediate fallout of this crisis. So today, the United States is launching a new global fertilizer challenge that's aimed to raise at least $100 million toward increasing fertilizer efficiency.
Presido Buhari talks say the meeting they're very important and constitute mouth for some of the way when administration they tackle climate matter.
Our plan aims to improve air quality and reduce Nigeria's contribution to climate change through 22 specific mitigation measures in 8 source sectors: transportation, cooking, industry, waste, oil and gas, agriculture, power, and hydrofluorocarbon. The full implementation of these measures would be effective in reducing short-lived pollutants, with an 83% reduction in black carbon emission by 2030, compared to a business-as-usual scenario, and 61% reduction in methane emissions.
Presido Konya the forum say the agenda for Nigeria's sustainable energy can reduce exposure to air pollution by 22%, and it will constantly achieve 30 megawatts of power by 2030. He can continue saying administration knows say Nigeria dependence for fossil fuel go make the administration vulnerable, sake of say the world get target to reduce fossil fuel as driver of world economy.
The pathway to carefully assess the opportunities that might arise in terms of a cleaner, more dynamic and more sustainable growth model. It will also provide the option for the country to implement a less carbon-intensive model of economic development in the face of decreasing global reliance on fossil fuel energy.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.